Good afternoon, and welcome to the annual UCSD Rady School of Management Master of Professional Accountancy Capstone Conference. I am Jim Diott, the Executive Director of the Master of Professional Accountancy Program. I am joined by my esteemed colleagues, Anya Schindler and Bonnie Huang, who are both MBA candidates set to graduate in just a few days. Anya, Bonnie, and I have had the privilege of working with these talented young professionals as they developed their capstone projects, conducted in-depth research, and prepared for today's presentations. We are very delighted to have you here at this year's conference, where we take a straightforward, no-nonsense approach to the realities of board leadership during times of crisis. We aim to provide practical insights and strategies for navigating challenging situations with confidence and resilience. Our conference theme this year is centered around equipping and empowering boards to tackle challenges head-on from within the eye of a storm. In today's rapidly changing environment, crises arise swiftly and unexpectedly. Boards often find themselves in the midst of these storms, unable to simply wait them out. They must make tough decisions in real time, standing firm in the face of adversity and demonstrating resilient leadership. Before we begin our presentation this afternoon, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to our partners at Deloitte, EY, KPMG, BDO, PwC, RSM, Moss Adams, the SEC, DoorDash, Intuit, and many, many others for their unwavering support of our program at UCSD Rady. Our faculty, lecturers, and external speakers have collectively encouraged our students to take on and tackle complex, board-relevant issues. We are truly fortunate to have a passionate team of friends and colleagues who have inspired our students to take on these challenges, creating a memorable experience for all of us. As we embark on today's presentation, we encourage you to close out your other applications, put on some high-quality headphones, and immerse yourself in the upcoming session. Let's dive in now and learn how to navigate right through the eye of the storm. Welcome to the 2024 MPAC Capstone Conference. Our next panel will be focusing on building trust in AI with blockchain, fostering security and confidence. I'm very excited about this particular presentation. I saw in an FT article last week that most companies do not have artificial intelligence strategies in place yet. They are already riddled with technology. Think about that. The strategy is not there, but they already have the technology being used. A survey published this month by LinkedIn and Microsoft suggests that upwards of 3/4 of white-collar workers have used AI for work, and 4/5 of them have done so with their own accounts and their own devices. According to the article, they are not seeking permission of their employers. In fact, they are hiding it from them because they're afraid of the consequences. So everybody gets the power of these tools, but everybody also understands that there's critical issues and questions to be answered around this. Therefore, this panel will be exploring how the immutable and transparent nature of blockchain can help establish trust in AI applications. They will be discussing enhancing AI security through decentralized approaches, fostering operational efficiency by automating critical AI-driven processes, and increasing stakeholder confidence in AI systems. I am so very delighted to welcome Leon Yang to our virtual stage at Rady School of Management, who will be facilitating this afternoon's presentation with his colleagues. Leon, the stage is now yours.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our presentation on blockchain technology and AI. We want to thank everyone for their time and attention here today. Before we get started, I would like to briefly introduce our team. We're Team 24, and we're all currently UCSD Rady MPAC Class of 2024 graduates. Our team is composed of young professionals born and raised from different parts of the world. We all share a passion for accounting and focus our research study on the intersection of blockchain technology with AI as it relates to the changing accounting field. Now, I would like to go over the agenda for our presentation. This presentation will cover a short overview of what is blockchain and AI, role of accountants and auditors in AI and blockchain technology, challenges in AI, blockchain's role in enhancing AI transparency, operational efficiency, and stakeholder confidence through blockchain and AI-driven processes, blockchain GDPR, challenges of blockchain AI integration, future of blockchain and AI governance, and market adoption and perspectives on blockchain and AI convergence. And I'll hand it to Kevin, our team captain, to begin.
All right. Thank you, Leon, for the introduction. So to begin, I want to speak on what is blockchain and what is AI. So blockchain is a distributed database or ledger that is shared upon computer network nodes. Unlike traditional ledgers or databases that are controlled by a central authority, a blockchain is distributed across a network of computers, each of which holds a copy of the entire ledger. Also, I know AI is a very popular term right now. I just want to spend a moment defining what AI and LLMs are. Artificial intelligence and large language learning models are programs that can recognize and generate text responses. They are trained using large data sets to identify relationships between words, sentences, and large text structures to generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses. There are numerous benefits associated with blockchain technology and LLMs. Blockchain provides decentralization, transparency and security, and smart contracts. AI and LLMs provide efficiency and automation, data analysis, educational tools, and research and development capabilities. So why is this topic relevant for the accounting profession? In public accounting, specifically auditing, there is an important emphasis placed on internal controls. In auditing, internal controls is a process designed by companies to provide reasonable assurance that information is reliable, accurate, and timely, and also in compliance of applicable laws, regulations, contracts, policies, and procedures of the reliability of financial reporting. With the changing technological landscape, it is imperative that AI systems are audited to ensure that there is sufficient data integrity and reliability. This is crucial for compliance and decision-making. Within the accounting profession, there is also significant emphasis placed onto SOX and the COSO framework. SOX was created in 2002 with the objective of elevating the standards of accuracy, transparency, and reliability in corporate disclosures. It established a comprehensive framework of regulatory measures, oversight, and strict reporting requirements, which leads to reshaping accountability in the corporate landscape. With AI, SOX is facing a new challenge. AI has the potential to offer quick and efficient assistance in interpreting complex regulatory requirements, streamline data collection and reporting, creating a space for a more cohesive and collaborative environment for different departments involved in compliance efforts, generating automated audit trails and documenting that could provide invaluable support and regulatory audits. And last but not least, automation will allow human professionals the ability to focus on more strategic and high-value aspects of SOX compliance. However, there are risks associated with AI in regards to SOX compliance. These include data security, interpretation errors, and over-reliance. Furthermore, the COSO framework is another crucial aspect of auditing that will also be affected by recent AI advancements. COSO was created in 1985 with the most recent update in 2017 with the goal of helping organizations improve performance by developing thought leadership to enhance internal control, risk management, governance, and fraud deterrence. The development of artificial intelligence provides companies with the ability to quickly and efficiently compile and organize relevant operations and procedures in accordance with the COSO framework. However, there are risks associated with bias and reliability breakdowns. And with that comes an inability to understand or explain AI model outputs, inappropriate use of data, and vulnerabilities to cyber attack. In a recent COSO ERP executive summary released in September of 2001, COSO lists out 5 steps to consider and these are: number 1, establish governance structure for AI program. 2, get an AI risk strategy together. 3, take the initiative with AI risk assessment. 4, develop a portfolio view of risks and opportunities for AI initiatives. And 5, lay out an approach to manage AI risks and report to stakeholders for transparency. The changes in the technological landscape due to AI have largely potentially devastating impacts that need to be considered. In our presentation, we will walk through why we consider the use of blockchain as a solution to AI risks. Next, I will be passing it on to Jackie, who will be talking about the challenges in AI safety, bias, and accuracy.
Thank you, Captain. So ensuring AI algorithms are safe, unbiased, and accurate poses significant challenges due to the complexity and unpredictability of the AI systems. And let's dive into each of these challenges and then discuss the role of blockchain in addressing them. So AI systems used in accounting must ensure the security of financial data. Breaches or errors in the AI algorithm could lead to financial fraud, data leaks, or unauthorized access to sensitive information. AI system must protect them against cybersecurity threats that could compromise these important financial information. Bias in AI algorithms can lead to inaccurate financial analysis or discriminatory practices. For example, biased algorithms may favor certain types of clients or investments, leading to unequal treatment and inaccurate financial advice. In addition, accuracy in accounting is non-negotiable. Accountants and auditors rely on AI tools to process large amounts of data, generate reliable financial reports, and make informed decisions, and comply with regulatory requirements. Inaccurate AI algorithms can result in financial misstatements and legal compliance issues. But here is where blockchain technology steps in as a game changer. Companies like FICO, a data analytic company that widely known for its FICO credit scoring system, and Casper Labs, a blockchain technology company that focuses on building secure blockchain infrastructure, they're leveraging blockchain to enhance the safety, fairness, and accuracy of AI systems in accounting. For example, blockchain's immutable ledger. Once data is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered, deleted, or tampered, which ensure the integrity of financial data, creating a secure and tamper-free trails for transactions and audits. Another example could be smart contracts. Self-executing contracts with the terms of agreement directly written into code. It's designated to enforce and facilitate the negotiation of contract between parties without the need for lawyers, banks, or other third parties. Smart contracts automate and enforce financial agreements with precision and transparency. And by integrating smart contracts with AI algorithms, manual errors are minimized and processes become audible and much more efficient. And this seamless integration enhances the accuracy and reliability of financial operations, allowing accountants and auditors to make more informed decisions. And furthermore, decentralized auditing powered by blockchain allows stakeholders to verify the fairness of AI algorithms and development processes, reassuring stakeholders and the public about the integrity of financial reporting in an AI-driven era. And the convergence of AI and blockchain technology holds immense promise for transforming accounting practices. And by addressing safety, bias, and accuracy challenges head-on, companies can create a more resilient, trustworthy, and future-ready financial ecosystem. Now I will pass it to Joy. She will share blockchain's role in enhancing AI transparency and auditability.
Thank you, Jackie. And I'm going to go forward the case of FICO, and Casper Lab talks about the roles of blockchain in AI training and operations. As we know that blockchain can check the data, timing, and personnel involved in AI training processes and verifying these steps. Also, its characteristics of shareability and consistency help enhance the transparency and reliability of data. It is important to note that blockchain doesn't eliminate errors in AI algorithms, but it can provide auditable records and explain issues when they occur. Although the case highlights the impact of blockchain, it also points out certain limitations. For instance, blockchain cannot directly explain why an AI model procedures a specific outcome. Some experts believe that blockchain should be used alongside other tools to better explain AI predictions. Next, I will talk about the operational efficiency and stakeholder confidence through the blockchain in AI-driven processes. Regarding how blockchain can improve this like operational efficiency and stakeholder confidence, the first thing I will talk about is the smart contract. Previous discussions have highlighted issues such as design rigidity, difficult in handling complex transactions, and challenges in adapting to challenging environment. The integration of AI can mitigate these issues by assimilating new information and adapting more dynamically. The second thing I will talk about is the regulatory compliance. By integrating blockchain and AI, system can ensure data integrity and enhance responsiveness to compliance requirements through the intelligent analysis. So blockchain can check and verify every decision, input, and output of AI-driven system, ensuring that all actions are visible and accountable to stakeholders, thereby increasing their confidence. Next, I will pass by to the Leon. He will talk about the blockchain and the GDPR.
Thank you, Joy. I'm Leon again, and I'll be talking about the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, or the GDPR for short, and the challenges that the GDPR presents to blockchain implementation. The General Data Protection Regulation is a principle-based regulation, I know, a mouthful, that came into effect on May 25th, 2018. It defines and governs the collection, processing, and the protection of personal data. The goal of the European regulation is to hold businesses accountable for data breaches and the protection of individual privacy rights. All entities that gather, process, and store personal data relating to the people in the EU are subject to the GDPR. That's good and all, but how does it relate to the blockchain? Well, some key basic blockchain characteristics conflict with the principles of the GDPR, and all entities that the GDPR applies to must be aware of those conflicts and address them properly to avoid hefty fines. What are those principles that blockchain conflict with, you may ask? A few key examples are the right to erasure, data minimization, and accountability. Under the GDPR, individuals have the right to request deletion of their personal data, and blockchain's immutability conflicts with this right. Since the data is recorded on a blockchain is immutable and tamper-proof, therefore it's extremely difficult to modify or delete. As for data minimization, the GDPR states that the collection and retention of data should be limited to the accomplishment of a specific purpose. Therefore, data should not be stored after the accomplishment of said purpose. Similarly to the conflict with right to erasure, how blockchain stores data will contradict with this principle. Finally, accountability. Compliance with the GDPR requires the identification of a data controller and data processor. Blockchain's decentralized nature makes it difficult to identify those responsible for collection, processing, and storage, as no single entity is solely accountable for the list of responsibilities. So how could we address these obstacles posed by the GDPR? Off-chain storage is where personal data is stored off the blockchain. using only a blockchain hash to identify the corresponding block. However, the GDPR may still consider the hash data as personal data because that information can still indirectly identify an individual. Another potential solution could be the smart contracts that Joey had mentioned. Smart contracts may be designed such that access can be revoked or personal data be deleted after a specific period of time. All in all, blockchain technology is still an evolving technology that can be customized during development and implementation by entities that seek to conform with the principles of the GDPR. Interested entities should keep an eye out for any potential changes to the GDPR, consult blockchain experts and developers to navigate the obstacles posed by the GDPR, as well as communicate with all parties transacting with an entity about the risk associated with blockchain technology and if they would be interested in participating in a blockchain-based system. I will refer anyone who is interested on this particular topic with blockchain and the GDPR to the relevant studies released by the European Parliament Research Service for further understanding. Now that will wrap up my part on the GDPR and how it relates to blockchain. Next, Winnie will talk about the challenges of blockchain and AI integration.
Thank you, Liam. So I will talk about this topic through two perspectives. So first is the technical and development challenges. So the technical and development challenges in integrating blockchain and AI primarily are complexity of combining two fundamentally different technologies. These challenges include scalability issue, the significant energy consumption involved, and the technical complexity of ensuring operation between systems that have different operational frameworks and requirements. Next, the more specific explain. So scalability issue rise as blockchain, particularly those using proof of work, require substantial power and energy, which can be inefficient with large-scale AI data processing. The integration must also overcome the inherent latency in blockchain transactions to meet the real-time processing needs of AI applications. Furthermore, ensuring data consistency and managing the decentralizing aspect of blockchain with the centralized nature of most AI systems adds to the complexity. So, particular example is an AI-powered supply chain management system that uses blockchain for transaction recording and smart contracts. The system must efficiently handle large volume of real-time data from IoT devices, while managing the blockchain's energy consumption and processing time to ensure quick, secure, and reliable supply chain operations. And our guest speaker yesterday also mentioned the other perspective related to this integration problem, which are human, ethic, and tech. So the other perspective related to integration challenge is economic and regulatory considerations. So the integration of blockchain and AI brings significant economic impacts, including high initial investment costs due to the complexity of the technology involved. Regulatory uncertainty also play a crucial role as both blockchain and AI operates in rapidly evolving regulation landscape, which can affect their adoption and implementation in business and governance. Business needs to evolve highly not only in technology, but also in acquiring experience and ensuring regulatory compliance, which can determine adoption rates. The lack of clear regulation can create uncertainties, especially concerning data privacy, cross-border data flows, and intelligence property rights, affecting how this technology are implemented globally. So a specific example related to this is Salesforce is advocating for environmental regulation on AI to address concerns about energy consumption and carbon emission within the tech sector. They propose that companies using AI should disclose their emission and energy efficiently through standard metrics. This push aims to enhance transparency, drive efficiency, and help users make informed choice about AI usage. Salesforce initiative aligns with legislative efforts like Artificial Intelligence Environmental Impacts Act of 2024, highlighting the need for sustainable AI development. And next, I will pass to our capital to talk about the future blockchain AI governance.
Thank you, Winnie. So yeah, now we'll be talking about the future of blockchain and AI governance. So to begin, there are innovative tools and market readiness. Emerging tools like Casper Labs' version control tool represent a significant advancement in blockchain applications for AI governance. These tools leverage blockchain's immutable and transparent properties to provide robust governance mechanisms for AI models, such as version control, monitoring, and strict access controls. The market readiness for blockchain integration and AI governance is mixed. There are pros and cons to them. Innovative tools developed by companies like Casper Labs indicate a readiness to tackle the complex governance needs of AI systems, especially in environments requiring strict compliance and auditability. However, opinions vary widely within the industry about the practicality and immediacy of adopting these blockchain solutions. Some sectors, recognizing the potential for improved transparency and accountability, are more eager to adopt, while others are cautious, citing technological immaturity and regulatory uncertainties. As we briefly mentioned earlier, Casper Labs, in collaboration with IBM, have developed a version control tool that integrates blockchain to manage AI model changes. These tools records every adjustment to an AI model on a blockchain, allowing organizations to maintain a verifiable history of changes. This is crucial in regulated industries such as finance or healthcare, where knowing the precise history of an AI model's changes can be critical for compliance and operational integrity. Next, we'll be talking about the potential of standardization. Blockchain technology holds the potential to become a standardized method in AI governance, providing a consistent and reliable framework to manage and audit AI systems across various industries. The potential for blockchain to standardize AI governance stems from its ability to ensure the integrity, security, and transparency of data. These qualities are essential for creating trust in AI systems, particularly in sectors where decisions made by AI have significant consequences. Standardization through blockchain can facilitate widespread adoption by providing a clear, universally accepted framework for monitoring AI applications. However, the path to standardization is challenged by the current lack of established methods and slow pace of consensus among stakeholders on how to implement such strategies. We want to take a look at instances where blockchain is already affecting the market and industries. So there is current day use cases. The marine insurance industry exemplifies the potential benefits of blockchain. Traditionally, this industry relies heavily on paper contracts and manual processes, leading to delays, errors, and increased costs. By implementing a blockchain-enabled platform developed by EY, Guardtime, and Microsoft Azure Blockchain, a groundbreaking blockchain-enabled platform was created that can achieve greater transparency and efficiency. This platform automates the entire insurance process, allowing for real-time updates and visibility of a ship's status anywhere in the world. Such automation not only reduces administrative burdens, but also enables more accurate risk assessments and quicker adjustments to insurance premiums. Next, I'll be passing it on to Fuhang to talk about market adoption.
Thanks, Kevin. I will explore the landscape of blockchain and AI convergence, focusing on how these technologies are evolving faster than market adoption can keep pace, which is known as ahead of the market. Industry analysts note that blockchain and AI technologies are advancing rapidly, outpacing market readiness for full integration and regulation. The convergence of these technologies is promising. In finance, blockchain's robust security features are crucial for transactions. In healthcare, AI is transforming patient care with predictive analytics and personalized treatment plans. Meanwhile, in supply chains, blockchain ensures transparency from the manufacturer to the end consumer, while AI optimizes logistic efficiency. The head of the market leads to the challenges in practical application, causing mixed reception and adoption issues. This discrepancy raises concerns about untested use cases and the potential for inefficiencies due to premature adoption. Additionally, there is a concern about the complexity of these technologies, unclear regulatory frameworks, and data privacy. Our guest speaker, Isaac, yesterday mentioned the zero knowledge proofs known as ZKPS, which enhance personal data protection within blockchain by allowing the verification of transactions and user credentials without exposing underlying personal data. This technology not only preserves privacy, but also strengthens security by minimizing the data shared during transactions. And the last one is the significant needs for infrastructure and specialized skills. Additionally, we will dip into the shifting governance priorities that are increasingly focusing on responsible uses of these technologies. Strategic shifts are essential to ensure their alignment with operational and ethical standards. The emphasis is now on enhancing transparency and accountability through blockchain's ability to make AI process traceable and auditable. Concurrently, there is a push towards ensuring AI operations adhere to ethical standards. Supported by blockchain's secure record keeping, regulatory compliance is also a focus, with blockchain aiding AI systems in meeting legal standards. Moreover, risk management is improved by enhancing AI's security features through blockchain, and efforts are underway to develop standardized protocols for AI and blockchain integration. These shifts aim to enable responsible, regulated, and efficient use of these technologies, ensuring their safe and effective deployment. Blockchain technology enhances the security and data integrity for AI systems, ensuring the data AI uses is secure and unchanged, which is fundamental for trustworthy AI operations. Dr. Alice Johnson, an expert in blockchain technologies at the Tech Innovations Institute, emphasizes the role of blockchain in transforming AI by providing immutable audit capabilities. These features make AI process transparent and auditable, crucial in fields where accountability is essential, such as healthcare and finance. The immutable nature of blockchain means that every data transaction and decision process in AI is recorded and verifiable, simplifying compliance and enhancing trust. AI improves the operational efficiency of blockchain systems. Isaac, an EU blockchain legal expert, notes that AI can streamline blockchain operations by enhancing its capabilities to meet real-time processing demands without compromising security. AI's role extends to optimizing network resources through intelligent transaction routing and load balancing, addressing blockchain's scalability challenges. Additionally, AI enhances blockchain networks by automating complex decision-making process leading to more efficient and accurate outcomes, and bolstering security through the detection of fraudulent activities and anomalies. Next, I will focus on how blockchain and AI can solve inherent challenges. The primary challenge in AI is the lack of transparency in AI models, which often makes it difficult for users to understand and trust the decision-making process. Blockchain technology provides a solution by ensuring transparency and accountability. By creating immutable records on the blockchain, every decision made by AI can be traced and audited. Smart contracts further enhance this transparency by logging all versions of an AI model, its training data, and predictions. This not only aids in regulatory compliance, but also boosts trust in AI operations across various sectors. On the flip side, blockchain networks face scalability issues as they grow, with increased transaction volumes potentially leading to bottlenecks. AI significantly mitigates these challenges by intelligently optimizing transaction routing and balancing lots across the network, which ensures efficient processing and enhances the scalability of blockchain systems. Additionally, AI addresses another significant limitation of blockchain, the high energy consumption of proof of work, known as POW protocols. AI algorithms can optimize the timing of this energy-intensive process and supports the shift towards more energy-efficient consensus mechanisms, such as proof of stake, known as POS, reducing the overall energy demand. Together, blockchain and AI not only address their inherent limitations, but also synergize to create more robust, scalable, and transparent systems. This integration is crucial for advancing technology deployment across various industries, driving innovation and ensuring more secure and efficient operations. And last, I will pass on to Leon to do the conclusion.
Hello again. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the key benefits and transformative potential of integrating blockchain and AI. This convergence leads to unprecedented automation, enhancing efficiency and reducing errors across various industries. Blockchain and AI together not only fortify security and trust with their inherent capabilities, but also optimize operational efficiency through smart real-time data processing and decision-making. This integration ensures that our digital systems are both regulatory compliant and ethically sound, adhering to global standards. In conclusion, by melding blockchain's transparency with AI's analytical prowess, we're paving the way for a future where technology not only drives business efficiency, but also upholds and strengthens ethical and legal standards. And that is our presentation. We'd like to thank you again for joining us today on our presentation. Yeah, thank you.
Outstanding job, Leon. I'll tell you, to you and everybody on this team, this is actually one of those presentations that intimidated me. You're bringing a technology that we're barely grasping, AI, and you're utilizing a technology that's been out there for well over a decade with billions invested, and I still don't quite get it, blockchain. Yet I know it serves as the foundation for cryptocurrencies. But bringing it together in a way of basically having true accountability on the type of programming that's taken place within this AI environment, I think is critically important to gain the trust of people on how this thing works, or at least how they understand it to be working. I want to congratulate you and Heng and Kevin and Ying Yang, Yi Heng and Yijie. Leon, everybody, you guys did an outstanding job. This concludes our webinar. We appreciate everyone who joined us and hope you found the presentation valuable. For those who missed any part of it or wish to revisit the content, the webinar will be available for on-demand replay on Rady's YouTube channel. If you're interested in the presentation materials, please contact us at Rady and we'll be happy to share them with you. On behalf of our students, our faculty, and everyone at the Rady School of Management, thank you for participating. We look forward to seeing you at future events. Bye now.